Hello, it is Jaden here, back with another YouTube video.
I'm not Jaden, that's another
Yeah, Jaden Alexander, and yeah, and these are handcuffs. This is what I was gonna show you. If you're wondering, it does come with a key. I found another one, but I was just making sure. That's the only one I found. I have another one, but yeah. Here goes myself locked up. Put the key in. Twist it. It unlocks. Also, if the key's not in and I wouldn't do that if I was you. And press this, there's a little button right there, if you can see. Right there. Press it and then take this out. It comes out. Yeah, that's really what I was going to show you, and yeah. If you guys love NFL, then I was going to show you this. Okay, bye.